one person got this thing. It's yours truly. Vegas ain't ready for me, baby.
Look at this, y'all.
All right, here we are on the Hoover Dam. All right, man, now we are loaded up and we are leaving courtside. We are headed to Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas! That's right. They want me to come up there and sing some songs at a show. I have a pretty good Elvis voice. Uncle, burn in love. Oh, thank you very much, thank you. No, serious note. Truck Camper Rally has been amazing. Loved every minute of it, man.
It has. It was great.
Yeah, we had a little footage. I didn't get as much as I wanted to, nowhere near it. Met some amazing people. And it's the RV community, really, you know? I mean, you get people, like-minded people together like that, RV community. Everyone wants to help each other out. It's just really soul-filling, honestly. And let you know that humanity still has a chance. Because we met some great people.
Yeah, it was really fun. We had people in and out of the camper. The Truck Camper Adventure did an article before we got there. And so there were a lot of people looking forward to seeing our rig. So there for 2 full days, kind of 3, but there was people in and out all day long. Let me tell you.
Everybody wanted to see the solar of the camper, talk about it, talk to her about the inside decorations, what we did, the story behind the camper.
It was a lot of fun. It was really fun meeting everybody and just getting to talk with people that like the same stuff we do. So
stay tuned. We are en route to Vegas. Oh yeah, I'm excited.
I'm excited too. I think we're gonna have fun. So we'll see y'all soon. Las Vegas.
This is the first one. Yep. Yes. Big shout out to Torcliffe. Thank you guys. We were in a bind without our tie down. Came through, man. Torcliffe people are amazing. Even sent the pen with it. All I gotta do is put my fast gun on it, but I need to go get to Lowe's real quick and get some of the D-ring clips to extend it a little bit because the fast gun doesn't reach all the way to it. Good. Awesome.
What you got?
Well, I just first want to say I'm sorry, Truck Camper Adventure. It's time to move it on to somebody else. I'll go in here and see if I can't talk to Rick, see if they can want to buy it. Because it is one of one. Only one person got this thing. It's yours truly. It's rare. I know what I got. The crazy thing is, I know when I go in there, people are going to ask questions. What is that? I'll tell them.
Jesus.
Because I know they don't have another one just like it.
I think themselves.
That's the key to getting the value, the proper value. As long as they don't have one, which I know they don't.
Yeah, well, what's going on with that, man? What we got here?
It's a one-of-one piece, man. I don't know.
Only one.
Only one?
Like everybody there, they gave one of these away.
I don't know. What are you thinking, man?
Yeah, I mean, I was like,
we don't got enough money for it, man. You gotta keep it.
Well, I can't.
Got enough money.
You want to get caught for anything like that?
Good luck to you, though.
All right, here we are. Night number 1 in Las Vegas. Oh, we are excited.
Very excited.
Oh, man, yeah, we're at the Circus RV parking. And look, you can even see the spear from right here where we're at. Can't wait to check that out. There's old Betty White. Man, the helicopter's out here. So let's go check out the Vegas Strip. We gonna go win some money.
No, we're not. We're not gonna play.
It's a walk. Heck of a walk. We're almost there. I wanna go where the action is.
Almost where?
Where the action is.
You
Gotta have action.
I don't know.
We in Vegas. I'm going where the action is.
We came across that. We're going down there.
Vegas ain't ready for me, baby. I'm gonna do it. Take all they money.
Oh my God. Where are we headed?
Venetian. I want to see the fountains, Bellagio, you know, some fancy hotels.
Oh God.
That's why I get in where I fit in. You know?
Oh God. Shut up. So cool. Oh my God, so cool. Where are we going?
Yeah. Walk to get to where we're at from Circus.
We've been walking for like an hour.
It's hard to record here because of the music.
Yeah.
So everywhere we walk by is music playing. So we'll get recordings in as we can, but it's gonna be epic.
I don't even know what's going on here. Is that water?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is today?
I don't even know. Sunday or Monday or today's Monday.
Monday.
What, they don't do it on Mondays?
Maybe certain times, I don't know.
Maybe. What is that going past? Oh, it's a truck.
Main thing is I got to go in some of these places. I got to give them cards. I'm going to show them my third place medal from the track competition.
Shut up! Nobody cares about that right now in Vegas.
They know already.
No, they don't know, and they don't care.
I promise you this right now. I am the only one out of everybody at that rally that got a third place medal.
You are. That's true. I can't stand him. Gillies needs to get a new ale in their sign. Look how beautiful. Oh, my word. Is that a church?
I'll take you to church.
One thing that there is no shortage of around here are taxis. Well, there was a whole bunch that just passed by.
We'll be taken back to Circus Circus.
We've been walking about 2 hours. I don't even know how far we are from our location. Is that something with its head cut off? Yeah. Why?
Roman statue.
Oh.
Good morning, guys. We are at the Kingman Wash Access Road, right off of 93, a couple miles from the Hoover Dam. We decided to stay here last night. Just a little pull-off. Road's kind of rough, but man, it's a beautiful area. Really beautiful area. Let me pan the camera around and give you a good look at it. This is where we stayed. Really a pretty area. My beautiful wife's in there. I hear the microwave clicking, so we're gonna get some breakfast ready and hit the road. So I'll get back with you. Park in the RV parking area.
Okay. Well, they had to search the truck.
Yeah, touched the truck, the propane area, look inside. He looked inside the camper and said, "Where's the white picket fence?"
How cute.
He said, "Man, that's incredible." There's all your electric transmission lines. To me, this is pretty exciting because, it's one of the things you just learned about in your school books. All through school, the Hoover Dam. Many, many men that died building this. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's falling over, but it's built that way.
Why did they build it that way?
Just the lines go down, so it's kind of cantilevered. Here we are, going over the actual dam. We drove old Betty White over the Hoover Dam. All right, here we are on the Hoover Dam. We're right here by the spillway. They said that the last time water flowed over the spillway, and if you ever do see it flowing over the spillway, you're witnessing something historic. 1983 was the last time water flowed over this spillway, when Lake Mead gets high enough. Ronald Reagan was president and gas was 93 cents a gallon. The last time water ever saw this part of the spillway. That's pretty cool to know that. So we are walking the rim edge, I guess, from where we parked at. We parked right over there in the RV parking area. So we're gonna walk along and check it out. So freaking cool. Wow, look at them fish down there. Huge. I guess it's carp. Yeah, there's your tower over there with Nevada time. And then this tower's got Arizona time written on it. Time zone splits right between the two. There's the marker. You got Nevada and Arizona. And the survey marker is right here on the ground. So I could stand here, Arizona, Nevada, Nevada, Arizona. I could break the law in Arizona and jump over to Nevada. Pretty cool. Go from one time zone to the next. All right, we're gonna go down to the visitor center. We'll take an escalator. Pretty cool, man. A little narrow escalator, huh?
Yeah.
And the history is just pretty amazing. There is a line. I'm trying to decide if we're gonna do a tour or not.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll just get in line. We'll get back with y'all when we get through the line. Check that out. It's the first time I've ever seen anything like that. Cannabis disposal box. We Okies ain't never seen nothing like that before. Hoover Dam power generation area.
Power per unit divided to at least 65,000.
It's pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah. This is really cool. Yeah.
So there's the dam right behind us.
Crazy.
I know. 96 men lost their lives building this. Highly recommend if you're in the area, do not miss this. Right? Would you agree?
I would agree.
Yeah.
I don't really think the camera does it justice, but gosh, it's so pretty.